Hello my fashion lovers, welcome back. So today we're going to be making this circle handbag. Just a quick disclaimer, this was my first time making a handbag, so just bear with me. There's a few things I would change, but I'll be sure to mention them. These are all the things you'll need to make this bag. I'll be sure to listen below. So I'm just deciding how large I want my handbag to be compared to the handles. Okay, so here's one of the things that I would have done differently. Please do not freehand your circle. Try to trace something that you may have laying around the house or something like that. So just fold it in half and find the center and be sure to draw a line. Now just mark where you want the bottom of the bag to start. So that bottom line there, you can totally omit that, but that will be the green part of the bag. So I wanted mine to be two separate colors, but you can totally skip that part. So you'll want to cut 2 top pieces, 2 bottom pieces, 2 circles for your lining, and then you'll need to cut your buckram, but you'll see all the pieces together in a second. To attach the buckram, I just sew very closely to the edge. So here's another part that I would have done differently. Please cut little snips around the curving of the bag. It'll prevent bunching like mine has. adding the magnetic closure is super easy to do, so you can just watch me here. For your lining, be sure to leave an opening at the bottom of the bag. Now put right sides together and stitch. Now just close up that opening. You can attach your handles however you like. This was just the way I did mine. It was the easiest way to do it, so just cut 2 pieces and sew them on. I think overall it turned out pretty cute, but you know, like I said before, there's a few things I would have changed. Be sure to tag me if you guys decide to make this. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to stay strong and be fierce, my fashion lovers. See you on my next one.